In the heart of crystal chamber, where the silver rivers run, Ezra held a quiet scanner to the bodies of the sun. No lungs to fill with sorrow, no hearts that beat alone, but something soft and sacred that could make a cave a home. Ryan and Cale stood steady, letting every secret show. They bore no shame in silence, only what the body knows. This is how we carry wonder, Cale said with quiet grace. A spark becomes a cocoon when love has found its place. And the light grew in from the roots to the skin, in a city made of echoes and the quiet hum within. Where the world above had broken, something deeper could begin. And Ezra saw them shining where the light grows in. Not lungs but leaves in motion, not bones but woven fire, their stem organ blooming with a slow and glowing choir. And there inside the darkness, where no seed should survive, Ezra found the miracle that kept the stars alive. And the light grew in from the roots to the skin, in a city made of echoes and the quiet hum within. Where the old laws had been shattered, something stronger rose again. And Ezra saw them shining where the light grows in. No battle, no dominion, just breath and sacred trust. Two hands, one touch, one whisper, this world will make room for us. And even in the silence, even in the storm, they laid their lives together and made that city home. On a bed of glowing crystal, they gave their bodies whole, not for conquest, not for proving, but to kindle something gold. And the cocoons they crafted gently glowed with life they could not name, the future written softly in a chamber free of shame. And the light grew in from the roots to the skin, where the pain once held dominion, something beautiful had been. Where the stars could not remember, they taught the dark to sing. And Ezra saw them shining where the light grows in. Yes, Ezra saw them shining where the light